Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video we are going to create a simple Golang server in just 5 minutes. So let's create the first file. Now for this, the package for us will be main. We'll create a main function. The Golang has actually an inbuilt package which is net/http, and we just have to write one line to create the server. Okay, so we'll fetch the router from a get router function. We are going to use Gorilla Mux here. We'll create a new router. We'll handle one hello path here and we'll pass it to hello request enter. Now we'll create a function here. So this function will have two arguments. First is going to be http response writer. Second is going to be request. Now we'll write the status code first. Write header http status okay, which is 200, and we'll pass back hello world. Alright, we need to import the fmt library here, and we also need to return router from here, and it's going to be mux.router. Let's try and build this. Oh, I think I misspelled that. It's listen and serve. It says page not found because we just created the hello path, which returns us hello world. Now let's suppose if you want to return some kind of object here, you can create it like, let's suppose data struct, and we'll have message inside it, some string, and the JSON key for this is going to be message. Okay, so we'll create data object here. Now we'll pass something here. Let's say this is a message. Now instead of writing this here, you would have to import neural library, which is coding/json. Now what we'll do is we'll use json.new encoder. We'll pass the response writer and encode the data here, and we'll comment this out. Let's try and run this. This is important and not used. Let's comment this out. We'll go back here and see, this is now passing a JSON response. So guys, this is how easy it is to create a calling server. Thanks guys.